3, 2, 1.
What is a transistor used for in electronics? The answer is A. Amplifying electric signals. Which color is traditionally associated with mourning? The answer is A. Black. The song Only the Good Die Young appears on which Iron Maiden album? The answer is D. Seventh Son of a Seventh Son. Which company developed Android mobile operating system? The answer is C. Google. What might be created with brass? The answer is B. Light placers. What are the official languages in the linguistically and culturally diverse community of Israel? The answer is C. Hebrew and Arabic. Mount Everest was formed some 50 million years ago. It rises a few meters each year because of geological forces. On the border between which two countries is this mount situated? The answer is D. China and Nepal. What is the hardest fruit to open? The answer is D. Durian. Which Disney movie are the characters Drizella, Lucifer, Anastasia, and Octavius from? The answer is C. Cinderella. Capacitors can be used to filter out low frequencies. For example, a capacitor in series with a sound reproduction system rids it of the 60 Hz what? The answer is C. Hum. What is the shortest verse in the Bible? John 11:35. The answer is D. Jesus wept. Who saved Harry from Voldemort in the Forbidden Forest in the first volume of the Harry Potter series? The answer is D. Firenze. What is the central theme of existentialism? The answer is B. Free will. What is the mythical creature with the head of a lion, body of a goat, and tail of a serpent? The answer is D. Gorgon. Greenland is a part of which kingdom? The answer is B. Denmark. In Hindu thought, how was Krishna killed? The answer is C. By an arrow into his heel. Which star is most closely associated with Christmas? The answer is D. Sirius. The Nile is Africa's longest river. How many branches does it have? The answer is D. 5. Who glides over the hill in a long satin dress that she wears every day according to a song by Elton John? The answer is B. Lady Samantha. Which vegetable did Popeye love to eat from a can? The answer is A, spinach. A teacher is conducting an investigation by using special equipment to hold a magnesium Ng ribbon over the flame of a Bunsen burner. Which observation indicates a chemical reaction took place? The answer is C. The burning magnesium produced light. The inventor of motion pictures, but not a film director. Who am I? The answer is D. Louis Le Prince. What is safest to breathe around? The answer is C. Windmill. Who is known for the theory of forms? The answer is C. Epicurus. When did the Carpathia arrive in New York with the rescued survivors of the RMS Titanic? The answer is B. April 18. Which continent is the world's driest place, Atacama Desert, located in? The answer is D. South America. What's the longest underwater mountain range in the world? The answer is A. Mid-Atlantic Ridge. What are joints in which the bones are connected by a band of connective tissue? The answer is C. Syndesmoses. What school supply can you use for counting and measuring? The answer is D. Counters. Which difference between water and ice results in ice floating on cold water? The answer is C. Density. What do we call the energy of motion?
The answer is D. Kinetic energy.
What is the world's largest mobile phone by volume? The answer is B. Nokia 3310 Max. When Lincoln delivered his Gettysburg Address, he was not the main speaker. Who was the main speaker? The answer is D. Edward Everett. Which show has characters named Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, and Phoebe? The answer is D. Friends. Where did the 1928 Summer Olympics, or the Games of the Roman IX Olympiad, take place? The answer is A. The Netherlands. In a molecular compound, electrons are shared between atoms in which type of bond? The answer is B. Covalent. Which river runs through the city of Venice, Italy? The answer is A. Po. Which of these vehicles is not an electric vehicle? The answer is D. Harley-Davidson Live Wire. Some plants open their leaves during the day to collect what? The answer is D, sunlight. What is the name of the teenager that Monica dated on TV series Friends? The answer is C, Ethan. Which of these women's names was not engraved on the Stanley Cup in the period from 2001-2006? The answer is D, Karen Hughes. The chloroplast integrates the two stages of what process? The answer is D, photosynthesis. What does the name Texas mean? The answer is A, friend. What is a compass made of? The answer is A, iron. What element do nuclear power plants use in fuel rods? The answer is D, uranium. What biome is located between the temperate and tropical biomass? The answer is B, subtropical. Which household item cleans the floor? The answer is A, vacuum cleaner. In Celsius, what is the temperature at which water freezes? The answer is A, 0 degrees. Which book is about a mysterious island? The answer is C, Robinson Crusoe. What novel by Joseph Heller is a sequel to Catch-22 and revisits some characters of the original, including Yossarian and Milo Minderbinder?